Bonjour, and welcome to FrenchTube, your ultimate destination for learning and enhancing your French skills. Join us on this enriching language journey. So, are you ready? Welcome to our presentation on the French Imparfait tense. In this video, we'll explore when and how to use the imparfait, its conjugation rules, irregular verbs, and provide examples and exercises. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use the imparfait tense in French. When should you use the imparfait tense in French? Let's explore its various uses. The imparfait tense is commonly used to describe habitual actions in the past. These are actions that were repeated or customary in the past. It's also used to describe ongoing actions in the past, actions that were happening over a period of time. Additionally, the imparfait is used to provide background information or set the scene in a narrative. So, whether you're describing what you used to do as a child, setting the scene for a story, or explaining ongoing actions in the past, the imparfait tense is your go-to choice. Now let's dive into the rules of conjugation for the imparfait tense in French. For regular verbs, you simply drop the R ending and add the appropriate imparfait endings. Ion, ye, Regular verbs follow a similar pattern. Drop the ir ending and add the imparfait endings. Isse, isse, ission, issier, isse. And for regular verbs, drop the ending and add the imparfait endings. Ion, ye, These are the basic rules of conjugation for regular verbs in the imparfait tense. Now let's move on to some examples.
Parler, je parlais. Tu parlais, il, elle parlait. Nous parlions. Vous parliez, il, elle parlait. Aimer, je aimais. Tu aimais, il, elle aimait. Nous aimions, vous aimiez. Ils, elles aimaient. Choisir, je choisissais. Tu choisissais, il, elle choisissait. Nous choisissions, vous choisissiez. Il, elle choisissait. Finir, je finissais. Tu finissais, il, elle finissait. Nous finissions, vous finissiez. Il, elle finissait. Vendre, je vendais. Tu vendais, il, elle vendait. Nous vendions, vous vendiez. Il, elle vendait. Attendre, j'attendais. Tu attendais, il, elle attendait. Nous attendions, vous attendiez. Ils, elles attendaient.
Now, let's explore some irregular verbs in the imparfait tense.
J'étais, tu étais. Il, elle était. Nous étions, vous étiez. Ils, elles étaient. J'avais, tu avais. Il, elle avait. Nous avions, vous aviez. Ils, elles avaient. Je faisais, tu faisais. Il, elle faisait. Nous faisions, vous faisiez. Il, elle faisait. Allez, j'allais. Tu allais. Il, elle allait. Nous allions. Vous alliez. Ils, elles allaient. Vouloir. Je voulais. Tu voulais. Il, elle voulait. Nous voulions. Vous vouliez. Ils, elles voulaient. Pouvoir. Je pouvais. Tu pouvais. Il, elle pouvait. Nous pouvions. Vous pouviez. Il, elle pouvait.
These irregular verbs require memorization, but they are frequently used in French, so it's essential to become familiar with their imparfait conjugations. Let's see some examples of sentences using the imparfait tense in context. In the sentence, Quand j'étais jeune, je jouais au parc tous les jours. The imparfait tense is used to describe a habitual action in the past, playing at the park every day when the speaker was young. Similarly, in Elle regardait toujours la télévision le soir, the imparfait tense is used to describe a repeated action in the past, watching TV every evening. And in Nous habitions dans une petite maison près de la mer, the imparfait tense sets the scene by describing a past living situation. These examples demonstrate how the imparfait tense is used to describe ongoing or repeated actions in the past in French sentences. In conclusion, the imparfait tense is invaluable in French, capturing past habits, ongoing actions, and scene setting. Mastering its conjugations allows for fluid expression in narratives and conversations. Regular practice is essential. Here are some exercises for you to practice. Pause the video and leave your answers below. Remember to practice regularly to solidify your skills and expand your French proficiency. Merci beaucoup for joining us today, and à bientôt. This is the end of the video. If you like our method, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest learning videos.